What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Sergeant Crypto back at it again. And I'm just here to let you guys know that for the new year, everything is starting out in the green. And that's great. And that's, an awesome outlook for 2018. All right, so let's get into it. I'd like to say thank you to everyone that's been liking and subscribing to my videos and leaving comments. Thank you. And, thank you for, growing my channel basically and giving me, positive and negative feedback. It only helps me grow. So thanks again, guys. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up. Also hit the notification bell and subscribe. All right. And let's get into it. So everything is in the green. Let's hit the refresh button real quick. Quick F5. All right, so everything is in the green. You know me, I'm a top 20 coins kind of guy. Top 25. Also, Verge is up, Tron is up. Got some of that. Obviously, Bitconnect is doing well. Wow, $433. 12% already on the day within the last 24 hours. What else we got going on here? Ripple is up. Been holding my Ripple, baby, and I'm planning to get some more. Just wanted to go on get some more on the dip. But yeah, everything is up. Can't complain. Let me see. Red coin is up 32%. So. And it's only 85 Satoshis, people. Only 85 Satoshis. That is cheap. All right. That is really cheap. The market cap is 336 mil. And this is where you could pick them up at. You could cop these right here. Bittrex, Cryptopia, YoBit, Lightbit.eu. All right. So trade Satoshi, blue trade. So yeah, definitely. I'll probably still pick some up right now again because it's still so cheap. What else do I have? See, I said Verge already, Tron, Ripple. Yeah, everything is good, man. Let me see Dekado Coin and Dent. Let's see Dent and Dekado Coin. All right, they're up. All right, I want you guys to start checking out the Satoshi prices, okay? The prices in Satoshi, especially like Bitcoin Satoshis. All right, because you see the last coin I looked at, it was 1 cent too. Let's see. All right, so it's a penny, right? And it's 85 Satoshis, so you could get a lot. So don't look at the pen, the US dollar value. Try to look at from now on the value in Satoshis, all right, for Bitcoin, okay? And that'll let you know if you could pick how much you could probably pick up. All right, so although the dollar value is up in this coin, the Bitcoin and Ethereum value is down. Okay, so for me, I'm seeing that as a great buying opportunity. All right, let's check out Dekado Coin. All right, so only four Satoshis right here, and still not a penny. So definitely could pick some up again. Great buying opportunity. All right, so you guys, if you want to check out the websites for these coins, you just come to CoinMarketCap, click on the coin, and then click on website. You want to see where they're traded, click on markets, and here it is. Hit BTC, Cryptopia, CoinChange, Mercatox. I don't even know what that is, but I do have hit BTC. I have a CoinChange and a Cryptopia account. I just wish one place would have all the coins. Now that, whoever comes up with that, I'm definitely and they'll probably have their own coin. I'll definitely buy their coins too, because it'll solve a lot of problems. All right, but I just wanted to show you guys, man, that hey, the market is up. All right, the market is up, and you know, it's going to be a great year for cryptocurrency. A great year. So you guys have an awesome rest of the day. Enjoy your new year with the family. And it's your boy, man, Sergeant Crypto. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell, man. Any comments, please leave them below. Any criticism, leave them below as well. All right, they only make me better. So thank you, and thank you for subscribing, and thank you for helping me to grow my channel over the last month. It's been awesome. Peace.